Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we will be looking at your energy starting from 8th till 14th of November. In this video, we will be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Alright, let's get started with your reading. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Let's get started with your reading now. For my Libras, 8th till 14th of November, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. Libras, what's going on with my Libras, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus? So at the back of the deck we have the Devil. Okay, so this could be a situation in which you are dealing with some kind of a toxicity. Okay, it could be new, it could be old, but toxicity is there. A lot of addiction regarding a person, regarding something, whatever this thing is. But there's a lot of darkness also which I see, and you have found something, you know, that you do not feel safe. There's something where you are feeling unsafe with a person or with a situation. We will clarify it in a bit. In the past, we have Ace of Pentacles, the Fool and the Moon. So I really see that there was something new which started in the past, and it was very new. You might have taken a risk in regards with that situation, but you felt that this thing can give me stability, so you just give it a hit. But with the Moon energy, it feels like your intuition was somewhere trying to tell you that this thing might hurt you in the coming future. But still, because of always ready to take experiences, new experiences always make you happy, so it felt like, let's just give it a a try. In the present, we have the Hanged Man, Ace of Cups and Two of Swords. So right now you are literally, with whatever the situation is, you are literally you are trying to close off with the situation or your person. This can be your person as well in the situation, but there's a feeling of closing off with that situation because you are not taking any decision, as you are getting some toxicity from that situation. Although this person, with whom you are dealing with, this person might be trying to call you or might be trying to tell you, but you are feeling a little closed off. This can be a person as well if you are like you are reading as a cross watcher, seeing as a cross watcher. So this can be a person as well, where this could be not a Libra who is actually behaving like this. Okay, so you or your person could be like feeling closed off, and whosoever is trying to give that love of cup, the other person is like, no, I'm not ready to accept because I am really getting a lot of negative vibes from you. It's becoming very toxic. My conscious told me to not to go towards you, but still I went, and now I am paying for all that. In the coming future, we have Nine of Swords, Two of Wands and Page of Swords. So this is definitely something which is in regards with I don't know what might bring what this thing might bring. So this is where you are feeling that with the situation I might not be able to live freely, because I feel that there is less of freedom. If you continue with the situation, you might not be able to feel the full freedom, and if you want to travel, you might not be able to travel. There's something, we will clarify what exactly that situation is. All right, let's clarify your reading now. Let's see. So why the Devil energy is here? Tell me more about the Devil. Tell me more about the Devil. Why the Devil energy is here, please. we have the Seven of Wands here. What else do we have? We have King of Pentacles and we have Nine of Pentacles. It feels like you are trying hard towards attaining something stable in life. It could be like in terms of finances, it could be in terms of a relationship, but you are more into something stable. Okay, for you it's not like a hookup situation. It's always like always going towards something stable. And when you feel like the other person is trying to defend themselves or trying to be like I cannot give you any commitment or that sort of thing, you start to feel like what was I doing? Was I wasting my time so much? So you just that kind of the reason why you are behaving closed off with this person, or your person could be closing off towards you because of the reason the other person is not committing. Okay, tell me more about the Fool energy in the past. Why the Fool energy is there in the past? We have Three of Cups, we have Nine of Swords, and what else do we have? Two cards. The Star and Two of Swords. Okay, so wow. So what exactly this is? This is something big, you know. I feel that somewhere your heart was telling you to close this person off, close this chapter. For some of you, this could be a reconciliation with the past person, and you were like, this person has become very stable, and now this person really wants me again. Because of a reason, you could have broken up because of a third party situation. You could have broken up because of somebody else involved in this situation, and then you found that you felt that this person has changed, so you took a step forward towards that because you found that stability is there now with this person, and I should again give this a second try, a second chance they were asking, and you gave that thing, although your heart was seriously telling you somewhere that do not go towards this person again. Okay, if this is a new person, again I would say your your intuition was trying to tell you that there's something fishy about the situation. Do not try to go, just try to analyze this person, but you were so much attracted toward this person that you were like, no, I should give it a try, why not? Okay, so tell me more about the Moon energies in the past. Sorry about the crackers because of the Diwali season and other festivals. Tell me more about the Moon energy. We have the Temperance. See? What else do we have? We have the Fool and Emperor again. Fool energy here. The situation was under your control. It was like the ball was on in your court, and still you took a step, you took a decision of balancing the things. You didn't, I feel that when your intuition was trying to tell you something, you didn't listen to your intuition, and things happened. You took a decision, and for which you might regret now. You may be regretting, may not be, but there's something. Tell me more about the Hanged Man in the present energies. Hanged Man, please. We have Six of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, and Three of Wands. Okay, so this is definitely you waiting for the other person to connect with you the way you actually connected, but somehow, whatever the situation is, somehow there is a sense of miscommunication. There's a sense of not communicating the way you actually want. So there is that sense where there's a kind of distance between both of you, and because of that distance, because of that not communicating with each other, it's like, there's no give and take situation, like how we will share stuff, where where you are not even communicating with me, and you make me feel you feel like you want to marry me or you want to take this to the next level. But how is this possible? If you're not even connecting with each other, if you're not even talking to each other, how can this be possible? Wow, yeah. Tell me more about the Two of Swords in the present energies. Moon. See, again we have Moon. We have the Hermit. I want to take this card. We have the Magician. So many major arcanas in your reading. It's like it's something really big, because what I'm getting are all major arcanas. See, so many major arcanas are there. So many. Okay, so yeah. To me, it feels like the universe is trying to give you a hint that this is a time to be alone. Okay, this is a time where you should look towards your inner feelings, look towards your inner strength or inner things. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you have to close off from a situation, or you have to close off from a person, because that's how you will find yourself, because you are really in a situation where you're not able to find where you are at, and this person is like taking our wind away. This is that situation. Okay, let me just clarify some more cards for your future. Tell me more about the Nine of Swords in the future. We have the Eight of Wands, we have the Knight of Wands, and we have the Sun. With the Moon card in your past and present, with the Sun in the future, it feels like some kind of truth is going to reveal. After night it comes day. After the lies, it always comes the truth, the hidden truth. So if there is something like that where you feel that something is hidden from you, it's coming towards you really fast. Trust me, it's coming really fast towards you, where you will be able to find a solution, and where you will be able to think about the situation as I was thinking too much about it, and now everything is in front of me, and it's easy for me to take a decision. Because you might feel that you are in crossroads at that situation, but when all the things will come up in the light, you will be like, wow, now I can understand what exactly, I can join the dots now. So this might be that thing. Tell me more about the Page of Swords in the future. We have the Ten of Wands. Okay, we have the Chariot, and we have the Three of Pentacles. Wow. So this is definitely your energies, where you are actually making, how this Chariot is working. This Chariot is trying to control everything what's going on. So this is you who's controlling the problems what are going around you who are mending the situations around you. And the responsibilities might make you feel a little bit of tiredness. You might feel that you are tired, but still, because of all the good things happening, all the bad things coming up in the light, all the lies coming up in light, and you are getting the exact truth what was going on. So you will be able to take decisions, and very good decisions. If mending is involved in the situation, you will be able to mend that relationship or the situation as well. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear Libras. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.